Welcome to 1 Million Sub. Today's category is flower gardening. If you're interested in making a beautiful flower garden, you don't know how to start it, this channel's got the information you need. Or you are interested in how flower markets work and flower farming work, you can find a couple of channels for that in this video also. If you are interested in finding more different categories of awesome YouTube channels, subscribe to 1 Million Sub. We will help you to find the best content creators on the YouTube platform. Let's dive into the video. Starting at number 10, Garden Sanity. Channel has over 20,000 subscribers and over 150 videos. Number 9, Plant Do Home and Garden. Channel has over 47,000 subscribers, over 390 videos, and more than 7,800,000 views. Number 8, Hooked and Rooted. Channel has over 40,000 subscribers, over 190 videos, and more than 5 million views. Number 7, Hort Tube with Jim Putnam. Channel has over 200,000 subscribers, over 1,400 videos, and more than 39 million views. Number 6, Garden with Marta. Channel has over 10,000 subscribers and over 16 videos. Channel just started in March of 2023. Number 5, You Can't Eat the Grass. Channel has over 130,000 subscribers, over 640 videos, and more than 20 million views. Number 4, North Lawn Flower Farm. Channel has over 100,000 subscribers, over 400 videos, and more than 13 million views. Number 3, Gardening with Creekside. Channel has over 90,000 subscribers, over 690 videos, and more than 22 million views. Number 2, Regenerative Gardening. Channel has over 60,000 subscribers, over 200 videos, and more than 8 million views. Before we continue, here are a couple of channels worth mentioning. Bloom and Grey Flower Farm. Pepper Harrow Flower Farm. Overdevest Nurseries. Chicago Gardener. She's a Mad Gardener. Number 1, The Middle-Sized Garden. Channel has over 160,000 subscribers, over 320 videos, and more than 17 million views.
1 Million Sub. We'll help you find your new favorite content creators. Here are some of the most popular YouTube categories. Thanks for tuning in.